If villagers have one bread, bread rare, bread valuable, the whole village line up just to stare at one tiny loaf like it treasured. But if villagers grow more bread, bread become common, and common bread not as valuable. More loaf means less wow, and the price go down. Demand pull inflation. If villagers want more bread but farmer-villager bake the same amount, bread price go up because bread now more rare than before. Cost push inflation. Bread demands stay the same, but creeper blow up the wheat farm, so farmer have less bread to sell and price go up. Production cost inflation. Villager buy bread with 1 emerald and villager eat bread and life is good. Best deal in the whole overworld so far. Villager tell villager friends about the bread stall, and villagers buy every single loaf, so farmer must plant way more wheat just to keep up. But wheat seed become more expensive at the seed shop, so farmer raise the price of bread to cover the cost. Farmer stand on business. Monetary inflation. Bread demand same and bread supply same, but villagers have way more emeralds than usual, so bread price go up. Emerald, worth less now. Hyperinflation. Bread price go up, so villager government decide to make more emeralds so every villager can afford bread again. What could go wrong here? Villagers buy more bread price go up, government make more emeralds, price go up again, more emeralds, more price. This is getting ridiculous. Eventually, villager government dump every last emerald into lava and make sticks the new official currency. Villager just say, and carry on trading. Inflation not always bad for villager. If villager pile of emeralds grow at the same rate as bread price, villager happy. Nothing really changed. If emeralds grow but bread price stay same, villager rich. Full diamond armor, rich. But if emeralds stay same and bread go up, villager sad. Villager is all of us. To fight inflation, plant the wheat, because wheat become more bread over time. Sometimes inflation really do creep up on you.